Hello students. Now in this question which we are being asked which of the following dimensions are correctly matched and theta is given for temperature. So out of these four options I need to find out which option is giving me correct matching of the dimension. The first option is angular momentum is given by m power 1 L square t power minus 1. So I can find out the dimensions of angular momentum. It is defined as the r cross mv. Angular momentum, which is generally represented by L vector, is defined as r cross mv. So we can easily find out its dimension. The dimensions of L vector should be equal to dimensions of r, which is L, dimensions of m, dimensions of v, which is lt minus 1. So it should be m L square t minus 1. So if this option is giving me this direction, yes, so this answer should be correct. Now for torque is defined as r cross f. It gives me r vector cross f vector. Torque is defined like this, r cross f. So the dimensions of torque, nothing but dimensions of force, which is mlt minus 2 multiplied with length, which will give me ml square t minus 2. Here it is written ml square t minus 2. Here it is written ml square t minus 2. So this option is also correct. Now let's go to option C, Stephen's constant. Now Stephen's constant comes in a special equation. The radiated power dq by dt by black body is given as sigma EA t to the power 4. Here sigma is Stephen constant, so its dimension is radiated power. Power is force into velocity, which is mlt minus 2 into lt minus 1 divided by E, which is dimensionless area, which is L square, and temperature, which is theta to the power 4. So this should be the dimensions of sigma. Now it's coming out to be m to the power 1, L to the power, here it is 1, here it is 1, and denominator it is 2. So L to the power will become 0. Time to the power minus 2 and time to the power minus 3, sorry, because of this velocity time to the power minus 3 will be there, and theta to the power minus 4. So by solving I am getting m to the power 1, L to the power 0, L is not mentioned here, t to the power minus 3 and theta to the power minus 4. By comparing I am getting Stephen's constant is correctly matched. Now only option left is Planck constant, which comes in the equation energy equal to h into nu. Energy equal to h into nu. So h dimension can be find out using the dimensions of mass, dimensions of energy, which is m L t minus 2 into length, which is L, which will give me L square, divided by nu. Nu is frequency, frequency is 1 upon time. So by solving I will get m L square t to the power minus 3. But here you can see that dimensions of temperature, dimension of time is given as minus 2 only. So option D is definitely incorrect. Thank you.